Today is December 30th. It is 12:26 p.m. here in Hermitage, Tennessee. I am not using the camera simply because the sun is streaming through the window onto the green screen, making it impossible to use the virtual background or much of anything else. It's shining directly into my eyes, so I'm having to wear a baseball cap. And so we're doing it this way. This is just a quick announcement of a heads up. Tomorrow night at midnight, there will be a message that has been scheduled through Blogger that will be announcing the participating contributors to the user-to-user live community during 2018. Those 70 plus people will form the basis of the new user-to-user group on Blogger. As you know, the consumer side of G Plus is going away, so we're having to rehouse it. I've pretty much decided, barring unforeseen circumstances, that Blogger will be the new home. I have created a member blog. I've created a blog for the user-to-user video vault. I have created a blog for member events, for the daily summary of member events. Those were my two biggest collections over on G Plus. I will be giving instructions as to exactly how, where to find those and everything on New Year's Day, sometime probably in the evening at 8:00 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern. So this is mainly just a heads up that there are a lot of changes going to be announced within this coming week about how we are going to be moving forward. Basically, we'll be relocating to Blogger. I have got MeWe also set up. I've got Facebook set up as backups in case it doesn't work. So we're prepared for almost anything, or as prepared as we can be. If you're listening to this, because there's really no sense in watching it, thanks for listening. I'm going to stop the recording and get this out.